Hi Norton, my name is Lizette Gonzalez, Senior Transportation Planner at Serpent and co-lead on the Norton Masterplan. I wanted to take some time to introduce myself and also talk about the upcoming workshop for the Norton Masterplan. This workshop will talk about open space and recreation as well as natural and cultural resources in town. Taking place virtually, this workshop will open up on September 30th and go until October 14th. During the workshop, you'll have a chance to visit the dedicated webpage, take a look at data and information, and take part in activities that are meant to gather your feedback regarding these topics. You'll also have a chance to participate in a live Zoom meeting taking place on September 30th at 6 p.m. to have a bit of a face-to-face discussion with the Masterplan project team. We hope this workshop gives you the opportunity to think about natural places you love in Norton and also talk about how best to preserve them and maintain them. We'll also talk about Norton's culture and we'll work on identifying those special places in town that make Norton Norton. These types of questions and discussions make up the content of the Norton Master Plan section that talks about these topics of open space, recreation, natural and cultural resources. Your input is critical to creating this plan, so we hope you'll join us and participate in the activities we've provided and made just for you. Thank you.